Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Power Transmission Strengthening Project, Procurement, Design, Installation, Testing and Commissioning of Telecom Equipment for Addition of 02 Line Bays at 220 kV Naushura Grid Station. This tender notice, dated January 24, 2025, announces an opportunity for bids under Loan No. 4,383 PAK for the Power Transmission Strengthening Project. The specific contract, ADB PTSP 06-2025, involves the procurement, design, installation, testing, and commissioning of telecom equipment for the addition of 2 line bays at the 220 kV Naushura Grid Station. The bidding process is open to eligible bidders from ADB source countries, and the deadline for submission of bids is March 11, 2025, at 11 a.m. Pakistan Standard Time. The National Transmission and Dispatch Company, NTDC, acting as the purchaser, requires sealed bids for the single contract lot, which encompasses the complete scope of work. This consists of procuring, designing, installing, testing, and commissioning telecom equipment for the specified addition at the Naushura Grid Station. The contract quantity is 1, and as this is the only contract, no discounts from multiple contract awards will apply to this tender.